Prime Minister Modi is going to be visiting pole-bound West Bengal today to lay the foundation stone of several infrastructure projects. Modi is going to be arriving at Kolkata airport shortly and then heading to Hooghly to address a public meeting in Dunlop factory ground. The factory has been shut since 2014 and the choice of the venue is bound to send a political message about the decline in industries in Bengal. He is also going to be inaugurating the extension of Kolkata metro line from Naupara to Dakshineshwar and flag off the first service. He will be inaugurating a 30 kilometers railway line between Kalaikunda and Jharkhand. During his visit to the pole-bound state, the Prime Minister will dedicate Azimganj to Khargharat Road section of Eastern Railway to the country, along with dedicating the third and fourth line of Howrah-Bardhaman main railway line.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will flag off several rail projects today, and among them the most important is Dakshineshwar to Noapada extension of metro services. This is most important because the rail connectivity, metro connectivity will improve and the connectivity will become more easy from Dakshineshwar temple to Kalighat temple, and this is very significant for the people who are coming for religious regions because they want to go Kalighat temple and Dakshineshwar temple all together. And after this flagging of inauguration, they can go from Dakshineshwar temple to Kalighat temple by metro services with one connectivity. Cameraman Tapas Bairi, Anupam Mishra, India Today.
হচ্ছে খুব ভালো হচ্ছে আমাদের এখানেও যাত্রী বাড়বে ওদের ওখানেও যাত্রী বাড়বে আর একবার উঠলে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে চলে যাবে কোনো ঝামেলাও নেই বাস গাড়ি খুবই ভালো হবে
कलकत्ता में बड़ा ट्रैफिक रहता है आने जाने में तो एक बड़ा अच्छा लैंडमार्क होगा आई थिंक पब्लिक के लिए माता जी के लिए ज़्यादा लोग दर्शन कर सकते हैं उनको कन्वीनियंट टाइम चेंज होगा टाइम बचेगा उनका आई थिंक गुड डिसीजन थैंक यू मोदी जी थैंक यू मेट्रो टीम थैंक यू कोलकाता वासियों के लिए
এর ফলে আমাদের যাত্রীপত্র বেশি হবে আমি একজন এখানে পুরোহিত যাত্রীপত্র বেশি হবে আমাদের একটু রুজি রোজগার বাড়বে এটাই মায়ের কাছে আমাদের
Indro is reporting from Hooghly, joining us for the very latest. Indro, it's interesting to see the Trinamool Congress and the BJP both trying their level best to woo the voters. From the BJP, there is a Vikas push coming in right there.
Well, election campaign has already peaked in West Bengal even before the Election Commission has formally announced the election dates in the state. So you can understand the kind of high-stakes battle that West Bengal 2021 Assembly election, provides for both these political parties. It seems like both these political parties are putting all their effort, all their might to woo voters. And everywhere do we see the Prime Minister coming out at the very last moment, not here in West Bengal. From the very beginning, the Prime Minister is on here, on the ground. He has already addressed a rally just a few days back at Haldia, and today he would be here in Hooghly. And the Prime Minister will be making the industry push from Hooghly. The entire venue, of course, as you can see behind me, this is the Dunlop factory ground. And this is Dunlop factory, is one of the most prominent tire makers in India, a factory which has remained shut for several years now, being embroiled in labor issues and other losses as well. So therefore, it's a very symbolic venue from where the Prime Minister will not only dedicate several government services to West Bengal, especially rail services, and Railway Minister Piyush Goyal is himself present at this venue, but he will also make an industry push from this rally and hit out possibly at the Mamata Banerjee government over her failure to deliver on promises, especially on industrial front and job opportunities for the youth of Bengal. Back to you.
That's right, Indrajit. Get us all the mood like as far as the voter base is concerned, the BJP supporters are concerned. They must be awaiting Prime Minister Modi getting right there at Hooghly. If you could just show us the scene around, pan your camera and show us what the mood looks like and the scores of people that have gathered right there.
Well, as you can see, on dais now, BJP leaders are giving their speech. If my camera person can zoom in a little and ask him to show the kind of crowds that have gathered today. Of course, the network is very poor, Chaiti, so please bear with us because the network might just fluctuate. But we can see a handsome turnout as far as this Dunlop ground in Chuchura in Hooghly district is concerned. This, of course, is on expected lines because I'll tell you, it was expected that there will be a handsome crowd because as far as Hooghly district is concerned, there are two Lok Sabha seats, the Srirampur seat and the Hooghly seat itself. And the BJP has been able to wrest the Hooghly seat from the Trinamool Congress in the 2019 Lok Sabha election. So Lokesh, prominent actor and now a BJP MP, she was the one who won the seat from Hooghly, and she will be conducting today's rally as the MC today, and therefore
There is a little bit of problem with that connection right there with Indro. I'm requesting the producers to bring him back on in just about a bit. We will get him back on. Apologies for that bit, viewers, but that's the plan as far as Prime Minister Modi is concerned in West Bengal today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.